Ever wonder how brands like REI or The North Face create those cinematic outdoor posters? Let's design one from scratch in Canva. Professional, bold, and completely original. First, I will show you the elements that I use for this design. Start with the people with three different angles, three different landscape photo, the forest, the mountain, and etc. And then the text, the name of the character, the title, rectangle, the logo, and the call to action. Okay, let's start with a blank page. You can use any size of project. Here I use Instagram post size. For the first, I will add this forest here, and then I will increase the size, and then I will rotate like this. I will place it here, and then add the first character, increase a little, and then let's add the rectangle. Okay, to cover it. Like this. And then let's add name. I'll use Mac, and this is a right alignment. I use a tall font like Antonio. I use the extra bold. And then the size is 64, and the nickname, I use it 32. So it is half of the name, okay? And then I will paste it here. I will move here, rotate, move to the right. Now add the second landscape. I will increase the size. I will crop it like this, and I will rotate. And then I will add the second character. I will move it here, increase the size, and again the rectangle. I will rotate like this, increase the size. Okay, and then I will add a name and place it here, rotate. All right, and then add the third landscape, increase the size, and I will rotate, move to the top like this. Okay, I need a mountain to be appear here, so I will double click on it, and I will increase the size, and I will move it here, increase more. All right, click done. Okay, and then add the third character. I will increase and place it here, and then add the title. So here I use Link Spartan and also the Antonio, and then the size of the biggest title is 3 times of the tagline. Okay, this is 144. I'll place it here. Now let's add the call to action. I will paste here, and the position is here. So this is in line with this text. And don't forget to add the logo of the company on the top left. Like this, you can increase or decrease the size. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial, and share the link to your social media. See you next video, and have fun with Canva.